Hi, I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, adventurer, entrepreneur, and amateur weather reporter. It's a crisp 32 degrees out here in the Redding area, and Winter Storm Juno is beginning to arrive. It's begun to snow here, although it's not sticking to the surfaces just yet. I'm expecting it to within the next few hours. We're still under a winter storm watch out here in the Birdsboro, Redding area, and that may or may not be upgraded in the next few hours. Well, I'll be sure to check in later with another report. I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, and I'll see you later.